Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel and a little tips and tricks video here. If you do want to have the news in interest panel, well, there's a little something that one of the viewers on the channel actually talked about, and I was curious, so I tried it, and indeed, if your taskbar is anywhere else than the bottom of your screen, not only does it not work, because you see it when I'm back here, the panel is there again. It actually doesn't even, so you see here, if I right click the taskbar, I have news and interest. If I go and move my taskbar to the left, right click, no more news and interest. It's not there. Not even available in the menu. So it only works when your taskbar is at the bottom of the screen. Kind of an interesting thing here. I would have thought they would have figured out that, well, some people might want it from the left, the right, the top. Kind of interesting to see that they didn't. It's curious. I'm really surprised. So thanks for the tip. Well, if you don't see it, do you have your taskbar at the bottom like everybody else? That would explain why maybe you're not actually seeing even the news and interest information to turn it on or off in the taskbar. So that's funny. And if you want to have it, and if you're one of those that's always making the taskbar move, don't forget that you can right click on the taskbar. In there you can go into the taskbar settings and make sure that the taskbar is locked. This will prevent you from actually taking it and moving it anywhere else on the screen if that happens by accident from time to time. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and thank you for watching.